Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn on dark mode. In my first couple videos, I had it on, then I turned on bright mode because I kind of didn't like dark mode, but now I'm kind of getting bored of it. So, yeah, I'm going to be showing you just how to turn on dark mode again because, yeah. So, first off, I have a scene, just you have to be inside of a project. Like, have to be in a project to do this, obviously, or else it wouldn't work. Because how else would you do it? But you're supposed to press. If these things would stop bugging me, whenever I start recording, they start coming on. Like, so annoying. But there, dark mode's on. I don't even know why that happened. Okay, go to print. No, please stay here. Stay here. So go to edit. Go down under project settings. Press on that. Preferences. And then it should be general. And then editor theme. It took mine a while. You can press on light. You wait a while until you start recording, like me, and then it turns to light. So yeah, let's just demonstrate. So I turned it on light. Okay, that's different. Dark. Now we let it load again. And there you go. That's all you need to do. And then, bam, you're good. Dark mode.